In the last decades, blockchain technology has been gaining attention as a transformative solution. The first generation of blockchain technology started with the introduction of Bitcoin in the year 2008, but it is only in 2017 that it became popular. It was applied in different domains, agri-food included. But since then, how extensively is it being adopted along the agri-food supply chain? What are the reasons which motivated companies to experiment with this new technology? The TRUSTyFOOD project set out to provide the answers. To assess blockchain's role in the agri-food sector, the TRUSTyFOOD research team conducted a detailed study between 2022 and 2023. This involved mapping and analyzing 320 blockchain use cases across 22 countries, both within the EU and outside of it. We later refined the dataset by excluding cases that fell outside the scope of TRUSTyFOOD. Surveys and interviews were conducted with 37 use cases selected from the mapped use cases for a deeper discussion. We also reviewed and analyzed publications, reports, and industry insights related to the use of blockchain in the agri-food context. Here are the key findings from the research study. Blockchain is used by only 22% of companies in the agri-food sector. Motivation for adoption includes transparency and societal benefits, focusing on enhancing consumer trust rather than profit. Most blockchain use cases are still in prototype or pilot phases, with few fully operational systems. Many blockchain initiatives extend beyond Europe, requiring lawmakers to consider international regulations. Most applications target consumers, with QR codes enabling access to product traceability information rather than supply chain collaboration. Blockchain is mainly used for premium food products that can absorb associated costs. For example, olive oil, coffee, organic and certified goods. Blockchain's main attraction is its ability to ensure data cannot be altered. Around half of the projects analyzed received public financial support, highlighting the high-cost barrier and the interest in testbeds before private investment. Data interoperability and technical expertise are major challenges in implementation. Blockchain is considered reliable, but remains complex for developers and system integrators, raising concerns about its long-term feasibility. Low digital maturity and IT skill gaps in agri-food businesses hinder blockchain adoption. Rural farmers and small to medium enterprises struggle with digital transformation, limiting blockchain adoption. Blockchain cannot fully guarantee data accuracy if the initial data sources, for example, manual records, are unreliable, making the food sector particularly vulnerable to manipulation and fraud. Hence, high costs, lack of technical expertise, regulatory uncertainty, and interoperability issues hinder broader adoption. According to the analyzed use cases, the main goals and benefits of deploying a blockchain that fit well with the needs of the agri-food sector include optimizing internal processes as well as along the supply chain and minimizing intermediaries. Tracking physical products, supply chain processes, and digital assets. Includes any physical product proof of origin, authenticity, and process transparency. This covers aspects like production, usage, and food storage or processing. Monitoring social and environmental issues, supporting fair income distribution, crisis funding, and carbon tracking. Ensuring product and process safety through contamination prevention, temperature monitoring, product test results, and recall management. Developing and verifying certifications, preventing and fighting food frauds. Facilitating transactions of digital assets. Securely managing sensitive records. Corporate finance support. Utilizing advanced digital identity mechanisms. We're talking about self-sovereign identity, which goes way beyond just your basic username and password authentication. From our analyses, it emerged clearly that blockchain delivers value only when applied to specific use cases, where its unique properties address real business problems. We noticed also that blockchain application in the agri-food supply chain depends on the level of digitalization among its players. A new technology can be disruptive and useful at specific scopes, but there are some basic prerequisites to be guaranteed. Stay tuned for insights on the digital maturity of agri-food companies from TRUSTyFOOD's findings. Visit the official TRUSTyFOOD website. TRUSTyFOOD is a research project funded by the European Union. Through collaboration between 12 different partners across 7 countries, TRUSTyFOOD aims to support a food system that is more transparent, sustainable, and accountable.